Got these bad boys out of the Devo's garden. Now we're gonna make a hot sauce.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Alright, we did some fresh garlic. Gotta cut it fresh, that's the way to do it. We're gonna do 1.5 cups of white distilled vinegar, and we're gonna put that in the cup. Cut the peppers tops off and cut them lengthwise. And we're gonna put them in this pot to boil for 10 minutes. These peppers are really hot, so make sure you wear protective clothing, and the gloves are good. You should probably wear gloves. It's a really simple hot sauce recipe. You can do it from the really hot peppers in your garden. Nailed it. Thanks for watching Devo's Garden. This is how you make hot sauce. Woo, it's hot. And garden. Rock.